There are two main ways of installing WordPress. The first is using auto-installer software such as Softaculous. The second is to install WordPress manually. Auto-installer software is provided by your web hosting company. It's very easy to use and the installation will take you just a few clicks. A manual installation is more complex and you're likely to need some software called FTP software on your computer to complete it. The manual installation process is used by people who, for some reason, can't use the auto-installer software, or by those who want more control over their WordPress installation. Before you begin, you'll need a domain name and a web hosting account, plus if you're doing a manual installation, you'll probably need an FTP client on your computer.